Thank you for joining us for this short tutorial that will outline the easy steps you should take to evaluate the need for InSight Scleral lens toric haptics for your patient. Determining if a toric is needed for your patient is easy. The ideal edge should land evenly on the sclera. Check the alignment 360 degrees around the lens edge. Be sure to check under the lids as well. There should be no standoff or blanching of blood vessels around the full circumference of the lens. If there is an uneven fit, it may require a toric periphery. There are two ways to assess the need for toric haptics. The first method is to perform a spin test to make certain there is free movement 360 degrees around the lens. Rotate the lens manually with your finger, making sure it does not catch in any area. The second method is to instill a small amount of fluorescein into the tear lake and evaluate the tear pattern around the circumference of the lens. At the edge of the lens, look for areas of bubbling, impingement, or excessive tear exchange. Chart the clock position and/or meridian, and report these areas to the Metro Optics consultants. On evaluation, this lens is impinging on the horizontal meridian, and the tear pattern with fluorescein shows excessive tear pooling, bubbling, and exchange in the vertical meridian. This indicates the need for toric haptics. A spherocylinder over-refraction will show residual astigmatism. Report these findings to your Metro Optics consultant when ordering the InSight Scleral lens. Thank you for joining us for this short tutorial outlining the easy steps you should take to evaluate the need for InSight Scleral lens toric haptics for your patient.